Boom. What's up, guys? Welcome to the sweet outdoors. This here is going to be a overdue tutorial. Now, you've seen a bunch of my videos. I hope you've seen a bunch of my videos on fire starting, different methods, fire stills, wet fire, tinder, just different stuff like that. I should have covered this from the beginning. Fire still, I mean, very important in a kit. Do you know how to use it? I mean, really, just because you can throw a spark with this does not mean you can start a fire. Today's video, we are going to attempt to show you how to use it. Okay, I've got a little bit of tinder here and stuff to help us along, to show us out, to show you what we're talking about. Let me get this camera adjusted and we'll get busy on it. Stay around. You might not see my face, but I'm here. Okay, first thing you got to do with your fire still, it has a coating. It's all over the ferrocerium rod, and you want to take and scrape that off. Just scrape all that coating off, just like that. Okay, now people think they've got this, grab a handful of sticks, they start a fire. Wrong. You need tinder, you need hair size, you need lead size, you need pencil size, you need finger size. You start with the smallest and work your way up. One of the things that is very common is what they call a bird nest. Real fine material such as this right here. And you get it all together and you make a bird nest with it. That's how you start your fire. Not this. You gotta have this to start your fire. If you got it right, it won't take but a couple of strikes. Let's see if we can do this. See, we got some good strong sparks there. Probably need a tighter bundle here. Probably catch myself on fire here in a minute. I ain't got no fine stuff. But we can get this started. We've definitely done it before. So you see our smoke. So we are close. Definitely close. Ouch. This is one of the reasons why I carry my waxed cotton pads, because it makes it so much easier. Now, we can also take and fluff it up a little bit. Break it up, I should say, with this stuff. This stuff might not even work. Yeah, we're getting good sparks on here and it's still not working. So let's see if we can find some other stuff. Try it again. Okay, we got some dead leaves in here. Nice and dry. See if they take a spark. I'm in my backyard. I don't have the best trees, you can say, for this type of stuff. Oh, you know what? I know what'll work. Give me a minute. All right, living in South Florida, we have no shortage of palmettos. And these are the fibers on the inside. Doesn't that look like a bird's nest to you? Let's see if this will work. Look at that. Boom. That quick, guys. Then you start adding the bigger stuff. you go in with your twigs. Of course, you don't want to smother it out, but this video ain't really about starting a big fire. It's just learning how to use this. Yeah, this stuff is really super fine. So it will burn super fast. Look at that. It just real fast. So you have to have everything ready to go. Some of your smaller twigs. And like I said, this stuff is just really fine. But anyway, I think I succeeded in showing you the method of using the fire still is what I set out to do anyway. Just like that. Gotta have the right materials to start your fire, guys. Just because you have this does not guarantee fire. You saw the trouble I went through, which actually worked out perfect because that's what I wanted you to see. Fire still doesn't guarantee fire. You gotta have everything. You gotta have all the materials. And here we go. If we really wanted a fire, we would be ready. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Wanted to bring you a little something this weekend, or this week. Today's Tuesday. I've got the granddaughters for the week. It is after Christmas. Sorry about that. It's right after Christmas, Tuesday after Christmas. We have them all week, and want to try to get you something this week because it's going to be hard with them here. And this is something I've been thinking about for a couple of days. Figured it'd be a good one to bring you guys. Like I said, just because you have fire still does not mean you have fire. You have to have all the tools needed to do the job. Meaning fire still, meaning a bird's nest, meaning kindling, meaning firewood. Remember, hair, pencil lead, pencil size, finger, thumb, and on up. Start small, go big to get a good fire. And then when you think you've got enough wood, double it, triple it, because you don't, especially in cold weather. I do have some more that I'm gonna try to bring this week. Got one that I'm really excited about that I'm gonna start this week, but I won't be able to bring it to you till probably next week, so look forward to that one. Do me a favor, go ahead, like and subscribe, hit that notification button, give me that thumbs up, download it, share it. Check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Just a little quick tutorial on the proper way to use fire still. Be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people. It ain't cold no more, so I don't want to hear no excuses. Peace.